Hello guys, how are you? Good morning. So today we are going to see the how we can do or utilize the AWS cloud specifically for the machine learning like SageMaker Studio and specifically for the LLM models like open source model or foundation models or the llama models or the models based upon the AWS clouds and all those things. So we'll see the how we can utilize the Amazon latest one is the Bedrock service. So Amazon has came with the new service, so it's a Bedrock and it's totally managed for the OpenAI source foundational models, LLM models, in which actually you can utilize various models. Even you can take the anthropic models, you can do the fine tuning of those models, or you can do a lot of experiments. And also AWS Cloud comes with its knowledge base where you can do the rack system, where you can store all those your documents, do the embedding, chunking, multimodals. You can utilize the Amazon special service. It's called as Kendra. So it's nothing but the like it's a vector source where you can do the vector embedding, retrieving data, and all those things. And if you want to utilize all the services, means end-to-end service offered by Amazon here, you have just need to upload documents and do the RAG and all those. So you can utilize that Bedrock's knowledge-based service. So through that way, you can do the various types of machine learning tasks or generative AI tasks. So today we will going to talk about how quick we can do the end-to-end RAG on that AWS. So the process for that end-to-end drag is like nothing but where on the front end user will upload the any PDF file, any documents, images or multimodal documents type formats. So we will give one UI or front end for that user. Okay. So once user that upload documents, then we need to add some triggers. Like we can utilize the lambda function from Amazon AWS. So here it will actually whenever user is uploading the file, so that lambda function will be triggered through the events and context or what parameters we are passing. And once that function is triggered, then we are doing passing that documents, creating the embeddings and storing that embeddings into the vector stores. So either you can utilize the lang chains or lam index for those parsing as Amazon is providing, or you can utilize the Amazon service as it is, like it's also giving the parsers. So automatically based upon the model's intelligence or the services they have provided, where you can add our parameters, configuration, changing signs, and based upon that we can pass the documents. Once those documents are passed, then we have need to create the embeddings. So AWS is providing various types of embeddings like Titan embedding 004, um, 004 or Titan embedding 002. Then if you want to utilize the multilingual or multimodal models, then it's also providing Titan text embedding G model where they are doing the image embeddings and all those things. So once you have done the embeddings, then you have need to store those embeddings into the vector store. So you can utilize the Kendra vector stores or open servers, less vector stores offered by the Amazon, or you can also utilize that PostgreSQL vector store where you can store all those embeddings. And if you don't want to utilize all those services, then you can utilize like Amazon Knowledge Base or Amazon Knowledge Base service. So it's offered on the Bedrock, and through that also you can create those embeddings, store those embeddings there. Once all those embeddings done, so then you can utilize the Coheri ranker or various types of recurring ranker offered by Amazon. So those uh, chunks retrieved in the top means related to top query, those chunks will be retrieved and you will get the greater results. And also it will reduce the latency or time required to process documents for that LLM model. Once this is done, then you can select the various types of models like on the Seismic or on the Bedrock like Cloud Sonet 3.5 or other models, Anthropic models, or various types of models they have given like Cloud A 3.5 Sonet or others. And once this model is selected, yeah, then you can utilize the various evaluation metrics like Ragas frameworks or evaluation metrics, the evaluation metrics given by the AWS services. And once this is done, then you can add like security layers, IAM roles, and various types of all those things. Once all these things done, then your RAG pipeline is actually automatic. Then you can test is like doing the query, giving the query, and based upon that you can retrieve the result chunks or whatever you can do. Yeah. So you know like how that Bedrock works, what are these services? Like it has also AI 21 lab or 2-1 lab where they are giving some models and which are the very faster ones and for the production ready purpose use, so you can utilize them. Apart from them, you can do the foundational models fine tuning, like if you want to do fine tuning or lemma 3.8 models which have 8 billion parameters, you can add the quantization methods, PIPT methods or various parameters methods there. And even you can import models from the Hugging Face, and you can serve their model, or you can take their models directly into the SageMaker and do a lot of so many things. Also, you can do the end-to-end pipeline. You can do the ML ops there. You can utilize that GitHub and all those codes. So AWS is offering the great opportunities, and you should learn all those things, and you should know the various services, and you should know various services offered by the AWS like Bedrock, AI, SageMaker, Lambda, then Elastic Container Registry, then how Docker images are created, EC2 instances, various types of machine resources, how you will do the CI/CD there, what are the services offered by Bedrock, foundational models, Kindred, then knowledge base, then serverless computing for all those processing embedding, various types of embedding models like Titanic embeddings models, various types of LLM models, and how you can deploy them and you can utilize them into the real-time production. So I hope you have got to know the very basic idea about that AWS, how to utilize them and do your end-to-end rack type projects or any LLM type projects. And also AWS offering various types of templates, playgrounds where you can utilize already their prompt templates. Like you can do the question answering chat on the images, or you can do the text to image or image to text, all the speech to text, and so many things are there. Just to go play with them and you can directly deploy also with them. So I hope you all like lecture, and if you have any doubt or issue, please write us in the comment. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.